Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a quick little video for you guys. I'm going to be showing you my new planner. This is what it looks like. It's from Walmart. So this planner I just recently bought. It doesn't start till July, but I wanted to show you guys the inside of it. This is like I had an Erin Condren planner a while ago and I never used it. And it's so sad to say because they're like $100. But I recently bought this one. It's just this like plasticky outer part. This is what it says on it. Alright, so in the front it says, "Hello, this happy planner belongs to," I'll show you. And that's just my name right there. Alright, so I'm going to show you the beginning. So the beginning starts in July. Okay, so each month has its own theme. So this one is obviously like for the pool and hanging out and all kinds of stuff like that. So this is what that front page looks like. It says pool party. And then a part of that you can just write in like a whole bunch of things that you're doing, your goals, your plans. So here is that overview page that I have started. Like things that you're currently reading. Alright, okay, so what it says is what you're currently reading, planning, watching, eating, drinking, loving, feeling, listening, celebrating, excited for, and practicing. As you saw my answers on there. And then this is what the, it gives you like an overview of the whole month. So this is just like the general calendar. And then these are the days. And you can write whatever you want in here. You could put stickers on here. It has the little donuts for the pool, and then the little ice cream here. I already have something stickered right here. It's like this for every day. Here's the next day. And then I'm going to show you, here's just another one, another beginning of one. Each month has its own theme. Like I said, this is September, so basically it's all going back to school, crafts, art, things like that. And then here is what the September page looks like, just like that. And then I'll show you December, probably, just because that one's holiday oriented. Each one has like a holiday type. So this is like a Christmas theme. That's the just like the cover page. And then this is the currently goals, things like that. And they're all the same questions for each month, but it's just so cool how that works. I'll show you another one. Let's do, which one's really cute? This one's cute. This one is October. Okay, and then I'll show you, this one's November just because of Thanksgiving. I'll show you. It says thankful. And it's just really like so organized. And you could literally buy like, this is from Walmart, like I said. Come on, focus. So this is from Walmart, like I said. And they have like a whole bunch, there's like a sticker section, there's just a whole bunch of other stuff you could do to add to your planner. And I've been wanting to plan for a really long time. I did not stick with it last time when I bought my Erin Condren planner, and I'm super disappointed in myself for that. Because I did spend a lot of money on it. But anyway, yeah, this is my planner from Walmart, and I'm gonna try to find it and link it down below to see if it is on the website. That way you guys don't have to go on to Erin Condren and buy a $100 planner when they have even better ones at Walmart. I'll try to link some like gel pens and stickers and things like that so you can order that as well. But I did just want to show you guys my planner, and then I'm going to try to use it for like my fitness goals and my YouTube video goals and things like that. So yeah, I'll link it down below. And once I start like writing in this and planning out my months, I'm going to show you guys what I come up with like for the entire month, the theme I choose, the stickers I choose, things like that. So yeah, that is my 2019. And actually, is it just 2019? No, it goes into 2020. December of 2020. Yeah, December of 2020 this thing goes up to. July of 2019 to December of 2020 this goes up to. And this was $20. $20 versus $90 at Erin Condren. So yeah, I'll link this down below if you guys want to check it out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.